Woke up this morning, sunlight on my face, coffee brewing slow.
Y'all, hello. It's an informational day, okay? It's an informational day because we're going to be talking about something that, listen, I struggle with. I buy new towels all the time, but I wanted to share with y'all how to stop bath towels from shedding. You want lint-free towels for good, okay? And y'all, if you've ever stepped out of a nice hot shower and grabbed a fresh towel and ended up covered in lint like a powdered donut, this video is for you. So today I'm going to tell you exactly how to stop bath towels from shedding. And not only that, I'm going to tell you exactly what to do to help them stay soft, fluffy, and lint-free. Because we don't need to be buying new towels every time you turn around. That's not the reason. Let me tell you. First of all, let's get into what causes towel shedding. Let's start with the why. Most towels shed because they're brand new. They're made with short cotton fibers, or they're being washed the wrong way. The good news is you can fix all of that at home. All right, let's get into step one. And this is an important step. So make note, wash new towels alone. First things first, new towels need to be washed alone. Don't mix them with clothes, sheets, or anything else. This lets loose fibers rinse out and keeps lint from sticking to everything. And here's a goody that I learned and I'm sharing it with you. Step 2, use vinegar, not fabric softener. This is the game changer. Add 1 cup of white vinegar to the wash cycle. It helps release loose fibers, softens towels, naturally removes detergent buildup. Do not, I repeat, do not use fabric softener. Fabric softener actually coats the fibers and makes shedding worse. Now tell me you already knew that. See, you didn't. I knew I could help you out. Now, let's get on to step 3. Use less detergent. More soap does not mean cleaner towels. Too much detergent traps lint, stiffens fibers, causes more shedding. Use half the recommended amount. That's all you need. That's all you need. Wow. Yeah, I said the same thing too. Listen, the step 4 is important as well. Step 4, shake towels before drying. Now I do that all the time because I always thought it loosens up the creases and wrinkles from the washing machine. Before tossing towels in the dryer, give them a good shake. This helps release loose lint, fluff the fibers, prevent clumping. Small step, big difference. Now we're at step 5. Dry on low heat or air fluff. What? Okay. High heat is the enemy of towels. Huh? High heat is the enemy of towels. Dry towels on low heat or air fluff. High heat breaks down fibers, y'all, and causes more shedding over time. We are so informed now. How about that? But I do have a step 6, and that is clean your lint trap every time. Yes, don't skip this. A full lint trap stops airflow, pushes lint back onto your towels. Clean it before or after every load. But I do have a bonus tip I do want to share. This is a very interesting one. Y'all know I'm a DIY girl, so I have to share these things as well. Salt soap for extreme shedding. Yeah, if your towels are really shedding, soak them overnight in cold water with half a cup of salt. Then wash as usual. This helps tighten fibers and reduce lint fast. Y'all, can you give me a thank you? Oh, you're welcome. But let me tell you, let's go back over this. for the final results. Let's do the wrap up. After doing this, you're going to have less lint, softer towels, no fuzz on your body or bathroom floor. And guess what? Your towels will last so much longer. Y'all welcome. You're welcome. But if this helped you and you didn't know which way you were going to turn, whether you needed to trash those towels and start all over again, this should do it for you, y'all. Please give this video a big thumbs up. Well, I guess you can't make it big, but just make it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more real life home tips that actually work. And y'all, please, please, please comment below. Please. And y'all, thank you so much for the view. Thank you so much for your support. I really do appreciate it. And listen, I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.
Over the place. Life can be crazy. Time just slips away. But I won't let another moment go without saying what I need to say. Give love every day. Don't wait for a reason. Tell them you care in every season. A hug, a smile, a kind little word. Let your heart be seen and your soul be heard. Family's a treasure that won't fade away. So give love every day. Mama's in the kitchen, humming her favorite tune. Daddy's old story, filling up the room. Baby's growing faster than we can believe. So don't hold back, just let your love breathe. Give love every day. Don't wait for a reason. Tell them you care in every season. A call, a prayer, a holding their hand. Stand by their side, help them understand. Family's a light when skies turn gray. So give love every day. We don't know the hour, we don't know the time, but love leaves a legacy, a sweet holy sign. So say what you feel and mean every line. Love like it's gold, 'cause it truly shines. Give love every day with all of your heart. You never know when the good Lord will start to call us home. But while we're still here, let love be the anthem your family hears. Time's too short to push it away, so give love every day. To my family, you are my everything. So I'll keep giving love every single day.